Hi, I'm Kelsey Mora, the Chief Clinical Officer for Pickles Group, and I want to talk a bit more about the 4 C's, which refers to some of the most common questions and concerns that kids might have about their parents' cancer. So the first question is, can I catch it? Kids misunderstand cancer as a contagious illness because their familiarity with illness and sicknesses are the contagious ones: cold, flu, especially really young kids that are worried about runny noses and coughs, maybe at preschool. They need to understand that cancer is a different type of sickness, that it's not caused by germs or bacteria. It's a problem with the cells. And so, explaining to kids that cancer is not contagious, that you can't catch it, but that also it takes longer to get better, that treatment looks different, symptoms look different. And so, having that baseline understanding for cancer as a different type of illness can be really helpful. It can be helpful for kids to hear the word cancer so that they hear it from their most trusted resource, you, their adult. But if that's not comfortable, you can talk about it as a different kind of sickness, one that's a problem with the cells. Did I cause it? That's the second common question that kids have. And that might surprise people that kids would worry that they did something to cause the cancer or just try to make sense of what did cause it. They want an answer. And so being able to explain to them that this is actually nobody's fault. Nobody did anything to cause this. Doctors and scientists are working really hard to understand what causes cancer so that they can prevent it and help it. But this is never anybody's fault. Especially young kids who have magical thinking, they might worry that they did something to cause it, that they got in a fight with their mommy or daddy and they caused their cancer, or that they saw their parent eating something that they're told not to and that caused their cancer. And so by talking about it, we can actually clarify their misconceptions and explain to them how cancer actually works. The third question is, can I cure it? Kids want to be superheroes. They want to feel like they can fix something and make it better, just like parents want to fix something for their kids. We want kids to understand that there are people working really hard to make cancer better, and that their job is to tell the family what treatments and medicines are available to make that cancer better. Most cancers get better, and some don't. And so at Pickles Group, we're here for all the ups and downs, sweets and sours, and highs and lows. But it's important for kids to not feel responsible or capable for fixing the cancer themselves. And the last question is, who will take care of me? Now, this question can surprise some adults because it might make them think about death and dying, which is common for kids and even families to navigate. Sometimes it might mean, who will take care of me if you die? It might also mean, who will take care of me if you're not feeling well or if you're in the hospital? And so it can be helpful to help kids think about their support system. That's a big question. Who can help you? Who can take care of you besides me? Who's in our support system? Even making a list of all the people they can call, talking to them about emergency contacts. If it's a 2-parent household, navigating, without promises that we will be there and someone will be there for you. If they're older and there is a plan set up for who will take care of them if you die, they may be ready for that information. Sometimes when kids are asking really hard questions, it means that they're ready for more information. So talking to them about their support system and any resources that you have in place to support them can be really reassuring for them, for their sense of safety, security, and predictability. So the 4 questions: can I catch it? Did I cause it? Can I cure it? And who will take care of me? The 4 C's. Now, at Pickles Group, we have something called Phone a Pickles Friend. Every week and every month, kids are submitting really big questions about their parents' cancer, and we respond to their questions with honest, age-appropriate information. However, these are some of the most common questions, especially that young kids will ask. And so we wanted you to have those common responses and how we navigate them.